Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a weather widget to Notion using widgets by Zapier. Adding a weather widget to Notion is a great way to keep track of the weather while working in Notion workspace. Now we know that Notion doesn't actually have a built-in weather widget, but we can easily integrate a weather widget using an embedded web tool or third-party service like Indify. Widgets by Zapier are similar with their providers, so we're using the widget by Zapier. If you want to know how to use Indify, check out my video on how to use Indify. Let's get started. And the Zapier's widgets allow you to embed a weather widget directly into Notion by generating an embedded code. So how do you do this? First, open your browser and visit Zapier widgets. Now, Zapier widget is zapier.com/apps/widgets. This is the URL. Now once you've visited there, the next you're going to do is create a widget by logging into Zapier or creating a free account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, look for the weather widget option. Then you customize your widget. By selecting the location for your weather widget, choose any city or region or etc. You can also choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit and customize the appearance, color, size, etc. Once you're through with this, Zapier will generate an embedded code. After generating the embedded code, you have to copy it. Go to your Notion page and click on a blank area or add a new block. Then type /embed and then paste the embedded code into the field. The weather widget will be displayed in your Notion page. Most widgets will allow you to decide directly with the Notion to fit your design preference. You can just click and drag the corners to adjust. After embedding, check that the widget looks correctly. If it doesn't show, double check the embedded code or try refreshing the page. It's as simple as that.